Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we brought something special for you. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet tops. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crocheting ideas. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more unique and outstanding videos. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your beloved friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crocheting a top offers numerous benefits, both practical and mental. Here are some benefits of making your own crochet top. The first and the main one is personalized design. You get to create a unique top that fits your personal style. Creative expression. Crocheting allows you to express yourself creatively through color, pattern, and texture. Skill development. Each project helps you hone your crochet skills and improve techniques. Stress relief. The repetitive motion of crocheting can be motivate reducing stress and anxiety. Mindfulness. It helps you focus on the present moment, promoting mindfulness. Sense of accomplishment. Finishing a project gives a feeling of achievement and pride. Custom fit. You can make a top that perfectly fits your body and preferences. Quality control. You choose the yarn, texture, and stitch, ensuring high quality results. Affordable fashion. Crocheting your own clothes can be more cost effective than buying expensive garments. Sustainability. By making your own top, you contribute to reducing waste and supporting sustainable fashion. Versatility. You can create tops for different seasons, light top for summer and warm one for winter. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Gift giving. A handmade crochet top makes a thoughtful personalized gift for someone special. Learning opportunity. You can experiment with different crochet techniques, stitches, and patterns. Body positivity. Crocheting your own clothing promotes body positivity as you can make it to suit your exact measurements. Therapeutic. The rhythm motion of crocheting can have therapeutic effects on mental health. Portable hobby. You can easily take your crochet project on the go, whether traveling or during breaks. Cultural connection. Crochet has a rich cultural history. Thank you very much for watching. Keep in touch with our channel.